Today we have some more questions as regarding to derivatives. So let us begin with the first question. Now the question goes, if y is equal to under root x square plus 1 is equal to log under root of x square plus 1 minus x, then show that x square plus 1 multiplied by dy by dx plus xy plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we begin what is given to us. This whole equation will be copied here and we will start with the question. Y under root x square plus 1 is equal to log of under root of x square plus 1 minus x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. First we will differentiate this portion. We will apply UV formula y as it is and derivative of this section. So what is the derivative? It will be under root of x ka kya, what will it be? 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus 1 multiplied by 2x. I hope you know this. If it is under root of x, that goes out to be under root of x power 1 upon 2, and then 1 upon 2 will come down, and x power 1 upon 2 minus 1, that will be minus 1 upon 2. It will come in the denominator multiplied by the derivative of what is within the under root, and within the under root is x square, so we will get 2x. I hope you understand that we have differentiated only this segment y as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second term, which means this term, plus now the second term will remain as it is multiplied by the derivative of y, which will be dy by dx. So the left hand side has been differentiated, is equal to, now this is log. So what is the derivative of log of u? It is 1 upon u into d by dx u. So this term will come as 1 upon whole denominator multiplied by the derivative of this term. So it is x square plus 1 minus x whole power 1 upon 2. So it will come out as 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus 1 multiplied by derivative of x square, which is 2x, right? And this minus x will have the derivative of minus 1. So I repeat, we have differentiated this right hand side of this equation. So basically it is 1 upon under root of x square plus 1 minus x multiplied by the derivative of this interior term, which is under the denominator. It is 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus 1 into 2x minus 1. Now when we begin further, what we do is this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled out. So we are left with xy whole upon under root of x square plus 1 plus under root of x square plus 1 as it is, dy by dx as it is equal to. Now see, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled out, right? And this term is just copied here as it is. And now what you have to do is you take the LCM of this whole term. This 2 and 2 is already cancelled. So we are left with x minus, this is 1. So it will be under root of x square plus 1 whole upon under root of x square plus 1. Now this left hand side term will be copied as it is. What you do is, see, this denominator and this numerator stands the same. What you have to do is just take minus common from this, and this term will get cancelled out. You are left with minus 1 upon under root of x square plus 1. Now what we do is we take the LCM of the left hand side. Now in this step we are not doing any differentiation, we are just taking the LCM. So it will be under root of x square plus 1 as the main LCM, right? This term I have written towards this side and this term I have written here. So this term stands out to be dy by dx, because it is under root of x square plus 1 and the term here is under root of x square plus 1. So you will get x square plus 1, right? And here this xy is written here xy. And what you have on the right hand side is the repetition of what was here like this. Now what you do is, see, this term and this term stands cancel out, being the common denominator in both the sides of the equation. So this denominator cancels out. So you are left with dy by dx x square plus 1 bracket close plus xy. This minus 1 is going towards this side, so it will turn 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is exactly what we are asked to show. I hope you understand this whole question. It seems to be difficult, but it is not. You have to go step by step and the things are very easy. Let me proceed to the next question. Now see, if x power y minus y power x is equal to a power b, then find dy by dx. In all such questions, when you are given x power y and y power x, you have to take them separately. What I have done is, see, let this term be u is equal to x power y and v is equal to y power x. So this equation I can write like this, substituting the values of u and v, I get u minus v is equal to a power b, right? Now from here u is equal to x power y, I take only this part and I take the log on both the sides, so I am left with log of u is equal to, this power will come down, y log of x, because u is equal to x power y, therefore it will be taking log on both the sides. You will get log of u is equal to y log of x. Now we differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by dx log of u is equal to y d by dx y log of x. Now we take the derivative. What we do is, what is the derivative of log of u? It will be 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, now we have the derivative of y log of x. We will apply uv formula. So y as it is multiplied by the derivative of log of x, which is 1 upon x, plus, now log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Okay, now you bring this u towards right hand side. Here it is in the denominator and going towards this side it will be in the numerator. So du by dx will be u big bracket y upon x, this term, plus log of x dy by dx as it is, right? And now what you do is you substitute the value of u, which was initially taken as x power y. So now I have du by dx is equal to x power y, brackets begins y upon x plus log of x dy by dx. The same question moves to the next slide. Now we had already taken v is equal to y power x. Take log on both the sides. You have log of v is equal to x log of y, because x is power, here it will come here in the base. So you are left with log of v is equal to x log of y. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides of the equation, we have d by dx log of v is equal to d by dx x log of y. Now what is the derivative of log of v? It will be 1 upon v into dv by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of x log of y? It will be x as it is into log of derivative of log of y. So x as it is, derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. So what I have done is, x as it is, this is that x, log of y derivative is 1 upon y, which is going here in the denominator, dy by dx. So x into 1 upon y, I have written x upon y dy by dx, right? Plus, now log of y as it is multiplied by the derivative of x, which is 1. So it doesn't need to be mentioned here. So I am getting 1 upon v into dy by dx is equal to x upon y dy by dx plus log of y, right? Now take this v towards the other side of the equation. So it will, here it is in the denominator, it will go in the numerator. You will get dy by dx is equal to v bracket starts x upon y dy by dx plus log of y bracket closes. Now in the initially we had taken the value of v is equal to y upon x. So kindly put the value of v in this given equation. You will get dv by dx is equal to y power x, which is the value of v, bracket begins x upon y dy by dx plus log of y bracket closes. The question moves to the next slide since it's a lengthy question. So now this is the initial equation which was given to us in the question, right? So Now this equation, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy dx x power y minus dy dx y power x is equal to dy dx a power b. Now I have already told you in the previous slide what is the derivative of x power y. You just put in the value, we get x power y whole bracket starts y upon x plus log of x dy by dx minus. Now derivative of y power x, I have told you in the previous slide, it will come out to be y power x bracket starts x upon y dy by dx plus log of y bracket closes. What is the derivative of a power b, which is 0? So I have written here 0. Now please be very careful. Now I am going to open this bracket and x power y will be multiplied by this term and it will also be multiplied by this term. So I get x power y upon x plus x power y log of x dy by dx. Clear? Now this y power x is going to be multiplied by this term and this term because I am opening the bracket. This minus sign will also be multiplied by this term as well as by this term. So what I get is y power x into x upon y dy by dx here. This plus will change to minus and I will get y power x multiplied by log of y is equal to 0. Clear? Now in the next step, what I'm going to do is, see, this is one term which is having dy by dx and this is also a term which is having dy by dx. Now take dy by dx common, bring together both these terms. When you take dy by dx, it will be bracket starts. This term will come here x power y into log of x minus this term. So this term can be written as x. This x comes here, y power x upon y. So it can be written as y power x minus 1. This I have written it here. So please listen carefully. I have combined this term and this term, taken dy by dx common. Okay. And here the bracket closes. Now you are left with this term, right? This is x power y into y upon x. So this can also be written as x power y minus 1, which is here. So I have written y. This y has come here. Y into x power y minus 1. Okay. Now what term is left? This term, it will come as it is, y power x into log of y is equal to 0. Okay. Now what you do is, this whole equation dy by dx as it is x power y into log of x minus x into y power x minus 1 bracket closes as it is equal to, what you are going to do is, you are going to take this term and this term towards the right side of the equation, and this is negative here, y power x into log of y. It will, when it will move towards the other side of the equation, it will become positive. So you will have y power x into log of y, and this term was positive. When it will move towards the other side of the equation, it will turn negative. So you will get minus y into x power y minus 1. Clear? Now dy by dx multiplied by this whole term is equal to this term. Now if you take whatever is in the bracket here, you take it towards the other side of the equation, it will go in the denominator. What you will get is dy by dx is equal to y power x into log of y minus y x power y minus 1 as it is, whole upon this term will go in the denominator. It will be x power y into log of x minus x y power x minus 1. So this is what it was asked and this is the solution to the question. I hope I have made the things very clear. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Do feel free to write in the comment section if there is any doubt or you want me to upload any other videos as well. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.